We doing chicken and broccoli today, y'all. Hey, need to put this up in your monthly lineup of dishes and recipes. But anyway, let's get it. So check it. Me myself, I prefer fresh broccoli. But hey, you can use the frozen bag kind if you like. No problem. Still come out delicious, y'all. It'll still come out delicious. So let me get these florets cut off, and then once I get them cut off, I want to half them. Well, actually, I don't third mine. I like mine a little bit on the smaller side. I don't like them real big and dense like that. But after we get our broccoli done, we're gonna go ahead and cut our carrots. Then we're gonna get to our bell pepper, which we gonna dice this. Hey y'all, make sure y'all hit me with a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell, y'all. And definitely leave me a comment down below. But anyway, after we get our veg cut, let's go ahead and get our broccoli into our steamer. Now I'm using a bamboo steamer here. Now, you don't have to use a bamboo steamer, use any steaming technique that you want to use. This is just easier for me right now because I'm going to use the wok later. So let's get that lid on and go ahead and start steaming, y'all. Now while that's steaming, I'm going to go ahead and cut my chicken. Now I'm cutting mine into thin slices. Now you can cut yours as thick or as small as you want to cut them. Whatever you like. Let's check on these veg. Now, I steamed mine for 10 minutes. And yeah, this is exactly what I'm looking for, y'all. This is what I'm looking for. See, this is how I like mine, y'all. Just like this. So in our wok, we have 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, and we're gonna go and get our veg in. And let's give that a little mixy mix. Now this is just our onions and bell peppers. Oh yeah. What we looking for, we just trying to get some color, sweat these onions out a little bit. You know, nothing major. But you know what time it is now. We got a rain on it. Hit them with a little salt, a little pepper, fresh pepper, y'all. Hey, now white pepper goes good with this too. I just didn't have any today. So let's give that a mixy mix. I like that white pepper because it gives a different flavor. Hey. Now we're going to create a little well right here. And once we create our well, we're going to go ahead and put our chicken right in that spot. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah. Let's give that a little mixy mix and start getting this chicken on done. See, once this chicken done, hey, we gonna get ready to eat. We gonna get ready to eat. Oh yeah, mix that up real good. It's smelling good in here. Now as you notice, I did not add any seasoning to this chicken. And I did that for a good reason. But anyway, once our chicken gets to the point where it's almost done, we're gonna go ahead and add in our broccoli and our carrots and get them into the mix, y'all. Get them in the mix. let's go and give this a stir. Mix that up really well. Get everything liking each other. Can't have them vegetables and that chicken fighting each other. We gotta have them liking each other. Now once we get that mixed really well, because this is basically done, we can go ahead and add in our sweet soy sauce, our oyster sauce, and our regular soy sauce. Now this is why we didn't season our chicken, because oyster sauce and soy sauce already have a lot of sodium in it, y'all. So you're gonna get that salt flavor from your oyster sauce and your soy sauce. So let's go ahead and mix that up really well. Stir it up, stir it up. We stir frying today, y'all. Stir frying. You gotta love that. Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, this is looking pretty good now, y'all. Cause all we was doing was warming everything up and getting the chicken finished. I think we can go and plate it up, y'all. Check it out. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna tear this plate up, y'all. Fat Boy swag is definitely in full effect today. Oh my goodness, look at that plate. Look at that plate. Look at that plate. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So check it, guys. Thanks for checking out the video. Hey, please hit that subscribe button right here. And hey, if you think about check out one of these other 2 videos that I already made. But anyway, you know what time it is. Love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See you.